Okay, welcome back, guys. It's been a while since I've posted because I've been building a whole lot of storage, organizing the garage, getting everything nice and tidy. And then, of course, my wife went and messed it all up again. But today I'm tackling something I've been wanting to do for a while, which is getting rid of these big bug eye mirrors that we got there. So I like OEM because I don't like mirrors that rattle. I don't like mirrors that break. I do like mirrors that fold. So I went and got a set of these 2003 R6 mirrors that are supposed to bolt right up to there. I looked at the base plates and everything, and it looks like it should work. So hopefully they are going to work. Let's go ahead and pull these mirrors off and then see what happens. So we need to take the dashboard off here. I don't know if you want to call it a dashboard, but essentially this black plastic, as you can see, it covers up where the mirrors bolt there. So we've got one here, one on the other side once we take that off, one here, one there, and same on the other side, and then it'll pop right off. Let's go ahead and do that. And here's the last one you need to get before you pull the rest of the plastic off. So the next thing we're going to do is hit these ones in here with a 10 millimeter and pull them off. So you don't want to lose these little things that are on there. One is still right there. Just make sure you don't lose those when you take that off. All right, moment of truth. Let's see. I already know what's going to get on here. Just, is the angle going to be right? Looks pretty right to me. There we go. All right, guys. How good does that look? These mirrors are a lot more low profile. They fit really well with the low profile windshield. And they work fine. They're adjustable. They're foldable. This one is having a little bit of trouble folding just because it's not a great mirror. But good condition OEM mirrors from an R6 fit just fine on the FZ. So, if you like that, if you want to see some more motorcycle stuff, some more car stuff, I do have some other stuff coming. Make sure you give me a like and a subscribe. And I just picked up these two helmets. I've been trying this one out lately. It's ILM 816C carbon. Very nice, very light. And that's the MF509. I don't know which one I'm going to keep yet. I need to take them on a couple rides, but might have a little bit of a short on those too. So, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Thanks.